Hello, and welcome to your next episode of Galaxy. In today's episode, we have special guests microbiologists Bree, Lily, and Lachie. Good afternoon all, my name is Lily and this is Bree and Lachie. Today we will be discussing the many habitats in which bacteria grow, however the extreme environments in which house certain types of bacteria, and the ways in which they are able to survive in these conditions. First up, I will discuss what exactly we mean by extreme environments and different conditions in which many bacterial species are actually able to live in. Did you know that many species of bacteria are able to thrive in intense heat? Environments in which are dry, lack nutrients, and have strong thermal contrasts. These conditions in which for many organisms can cause stress. However, for some, they are able to resist this stress, and sometimes even their life depends on it to live. These are known as extremophiles. Other bacterial species are the complete opposite and thus flourish in very cold environments. Again, being able to resist the stresses that these very diverse temperatures can have on an organism. Some species of bacteria are also able to survive in environments with very high pressure, which for usual organisms would cause the cell to rupture immediately. Later, we will discuss how a cell like bacteria in intense pressure can live and adapt to environments like this. There are other species of bacteria who prefer even more diverse environments like the highly acidic surroundings. These organisms are known as acidophiles, as they grow and survive at a lower pH level. Bree will now explain the specific types of bacteria that thrive in these conditions.
Hello everyone, my name is Bree. I will be introducing different examples of bacteria in different extreme environments. First, we look at an example of a bacteria that can withstand extreme heat. Its name is called Thermus aquaticus. This species thrives at 70 degrees but can survive between 50 and 80 degrees Celsius. Next we have Helminthus. This is a type of bacteria that can actually only survive in extreme pressure environments and requires a pressure of 1000 atm. We also have a species called Synococcus lividus. This species can only survive in extreme cold environments such as areas with ice and snow. Next we have a very interesting species of bacteria. This species is commonly known for contaminating fruit juices. This species loves environments that are very acidic. This species name is Alicyclobacillus. It has an optimum pH value of between 2.0 and 6.0. Next we have Lachie. He will discuss how these bacteria are actually able to survive in those extreme environments.
These extreme bacteria live in some crazy environments, and as such need to have some pretty neat mechanisms to help them feel right at home. The key to their survival lays in the subtle changes in the membrane that coats all living cells. This membrane controls what comes in and goes out of the cell, like skin. A big issue for microorganisms living in these environments is that the membrane can be altered by external pressures like extreme temperatures. The heat loosens up the membrane and the cell may rupture, or the internal liquid may evaporate, or the protons that help the cell operate may escape. This kills the cell. To counteract this, the microorganisms have a clever little process where they change the lipid content in the makeup of their membrane. Lipids are fatty, oily-like molecules that repel water and are dense in stored chemical energy. By doing this, the little organisms can better control the flow of what comes in and goes out of the cell. And now, in what many would consider inhospitable environments, life flourishes like arms out of our very own spiral galaxy.
Well, that's it from us, and we hope this inspires you all to study science at university. Thank you for your time, Bree, Lily and Lachie. And that's the wrap on our latest episode of Galaxy.